Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we're in Salmonier Nature Park. So we gotta keep right. This is all the safety stuff and sign right here. Cool. Oh my god, the boards feel soft. I'm gonna put you guys on pause until we get up to some animals, okay? Okay guys, we comes up to a fork in the road. You're not allowed this way, but you gotta go this way. Nature trail and public area. You gotta go up this way, and you're not allowed out that way. Public area closed, building closed, and you're not allowed to go this way. So all you new people who's watching that wants to come here, you're not allowed in this building no more. See, you're not allowed entering that area. So you gotta go this way. Nature trail. Slippery when wet. Walk, do not run. Do not feed the animals. Alright. Well, here's the trail. Goes on down here. Right on down here. Swerve. So I'm going to put you guys on pause till I get to see some animals. Okay guys, we are coming up to the owl. The big old snowy owl. So I don't know if he's in there, but here it is. Great big old heavy duty fence. I had a duck that time. Snowy owl. Where are you, snowy owl? They clip their wings so they don't fly off, see? That's not it, that's a tree branch in there. That's where he's usually at, in there. What a beautiful spot. Anyways, like I said, if I put you guys on pause, I'm not going to record just like boring old trail with just trees. If you see 2 minutes of it, you're going to see a lot of it. So I'm going to put you guys on pause when I get up to some exciting stuff like this. Look at this. Holy moly, look at the firewood. Oh. Alright guys. Oh my god, what a beautiful spot. Oh, we got a sign coming up here. Okay, you are here. We're right here We gotta go all there, and right there. Holy moly. We're only right here yet. Yeah. Okay, guys. Here we got them. Here, this is the moose here. So you can tell how high the fence is. So let's see if we can find some moose. There's supposed to be a feeding trot there, but looks like they haven't fed in a while. Oh, look! Look, it is! Reindeer! Whoa! Hello, big guy! Holy moly! I don't know how to call him, I'm just doing anything. I heard Santa Claus is looking for you. Hey, I heard Santa Claus is looking for you. Cool. Awesome. Any more, I wonder? Put you guys on pause till I see some more. Okay, guys, there's one more down there. He's in the, oh my God, he's a big boy. Whoa. He's in that, he's around that feeding trot down there. But this is the area that they're in. They got a good water supply, always fresh water down there, so yeah. We're a long ways up, guys, like look. Like I said, guys, I tell you guys all the time, if the video all of a sudden just ends, I'm only on a cell phone, I got no data or nothing on this. I'm just running off the, like, what it can hold. That's all I'm doing. I'm running off what I can hold on the, what I can hold on this phone. So if all of a sudden, if it just roughly cuts off, like you guys watch my George Street video, like it just abruptly cut off because I ran out of memory on my phone. So guys, if it just cuts off, just have patience, okay? That's why I'm trying to pause the video a lot, because that's why I'm trying to pause the video a lot, because I'm trying to save some memory so I can get all this in the one video. Okay, guys? So please have patience. Oh my God, look at this rock. This animal is aggressive. Ooh. Oh. Great horned owl. Where are you, big boy? Huh? I don't see him. Horned owl. Why season? I think I do. No. Oh well. Put you guys on pause. Alright guys, Canadian link. Canada link. This is what we're looking for now. So yeah. We can't see them because I'm guessing that's what he can jump over. Holy moly. There's all the animals. There's it all too. They must knew I was coming. I don't see nothing. Oh my god, look at the wood. Holy crap, look at all the firewood. All black spruce too. Look at this. And both sides too. Alright guys, put you guys on pause. Hello guys, now look at this. And I just seen him coming up there. Oh, here he is, seeing? He's gone in that, oh, here he is, look. He's up in the corner, up right there. Cool. Seeing guys, look. He's gone under there now. He's up right there now under that log. Oh, here he goes. Going up the tree. Holy moly, I know he can't climb. Whoa. Well guys, you know it's a routine. Alright guys, now we gotta walk through this here now. Holy moly. Push. Cool. We got rabbits. See any rabbits? Oh, right there guys. See in the middle of your screen? I'll zoom in. Where's it gone to? Right there, see it? Cool. It's feeding. Hi. Cool, that's nice. Nice painting. And washrooms up right there. Guys, we got a woodchuck. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? Where's he to, I wonder? Oh, look at the